Hi friends, this is Mrs. Threehouse. Today for math, I'm going to teach you a fun card game to help you practice ways to make 10. It's a solitaire game called Pyramid Solitaire. You start with a deck of cards and you take out all the face cards, the jacks, the kings, and the queens. You're not going to use those. So you're going to take the rest of the cards and you're going to make a pyramid with them. You're going to start by flipping the cards over so you can see them. And I'm going to put 1 in the first row, and then I'm going to flip over 2 in the second row, and I want them to overlap that 1 so they're kind of on top of it. And then the next row has 3, and then 4, and then I have a row with 5 cards, and the bottom row has 6 cards. This is the last row of cards. Okay, so your pyramid, I'm going to flip it a little bit so you can see it all. Your pyramid looks kind of like this, and it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows, and the bottom row has 6 cards. All right, now the object of this game is to take cards out of the pyramid that add together to equal 10, but you can only take cards that don't have cards on top of them. So I'm going to start here on the bottom row. I can take this 10. 10 plus 0 equals 10. I'm just going to make a pile up here of all the cards that I take out. I can take these two. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Okay, and now I have these 9s open, but I see that I have an ace. An ace is equal to 1. So I'm going to take that out with this 9. 9 plus 1 equals 10. And then I can take these. 1 plus 9 equals 10. I can take this one. 10 plus 0 equals 10. And now I'm looking at the cards that I have open. I've got an 8, a 7, and a 9 that don't have anything on top of them, but those don't go together in any way to equal 10. I've got the rest of the deck that I had, not the kings and queens and jacks, but the rest of the other cards here. This is going to be my draw pile. So now I'm going to take this. Once you get to a point where you can't make any matches in your pyramid, you can flip cards over in your draw pile and see if they can go together with any of the cards in the pyramid to make 10. All right, I got a 6. No, that doesn't help me. A 7. No. I got an ace, which is equal to 1. 1 can go with 9 to make 10. So 9 plus 1 equals 10. And now these are open. 7 and a 3 can go together. 7 plus 3 equals 10. I have a 7 on top of my draw pile, so I can take that with this 3. 7 plus 3 equals 10. Now the only other card I have open in my pyramid is the 8. And I have a 6 on top of my draw pile. 6 plus 8 does not equal 10. So I'm going to keep drawing to see if I can get a card that goes with 8 to equal 10. Does anybody know what card I'm looking for? 2 plus 8 equals 10. All right. So now I've got a 5 and a 4. I'm going to have to keep drawing. Ooh, 6 plus 4 equals 10. 10 plus 0 equals 10. 7 plus 3 equals 10. I've got a 5 open here. Think about what I need to make 10. What goes with 5? Oh, I didn't get anything else. All right, so I am done. The object, you want to see how many cards, you want to try to get the least amount of cards left here. So I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cards, which isn't too bad. I could play again and see if I can do even better the next time. I love this game because it's fun, but it also helps you practice ways to make 10. And we know that we use ways to make 10 all the time in math. So this is a terrific game to help you practice it. It's called Pyramid Solitaire. I hope that you'll try it out, and I really think you'll have fun with it if you do. We also wanted to let you know that we will not be posting videos on Monday, May 25th in honor of the Memorial Day holiday. So there will only be 4 days of YouTube lessons next week, and those will start on Tuesday, May 26th. I hope that you all have a great weekend. We miss you all a lot. Take care.